Hello everyone, Jordan here. Today we're going to be talking about macros and how they can benefit your gaming and productivity. Before we get into it, thank you to Scan Computers for sponsoring this video. If you need anything such as PC hardware or peripherals, audio and video gear, or even some musical instruments, then check out the link down below in the video description. Now, if you're a fan of MMO games, you may already be familiar with macros, but for those not aware, a macro is a set of instructions or commands grouped to automate a task, usually bonded to a single key. These can be used to activate spells or abilities and make it very simple to perform a series of key and button presses in a split second over the multiple seconds it would take doing it manually, which can give you a big advantage in competitive play. World of Warcraft is one of the biggest games that uses macros, allowing players to become more efficient when raiding or fighting bosses. These features can also streamline your workflow as well, and we'll cover how you can use them for productivity later on. Macros can be programmed and performed on several different devices. There's the more basic things you'd expect, such as mice and keyboards, and you can also get more dedicated products like the Razer Tartarus, which looks like something you could use to control the Starship Enterprise. You could program macros to a keyboard that you might have spare or lying around, but if you want something a little bit more subtle and a bit less janky, there are products that fit the jobs that have dedicated macro keys, such as the Corsair K100 and Scimitar Elite mouse that I have here and we're using for this demonstration. It is worth mentioning though that there are cheaper alternatives on the market for those a little bit more budget conscious. So let's have a look at the products up close, and then we'll dive into how to program your macros onto products like these. Both of these have got tons of features, but I'll quickly cover the main ones. First, the Corsair K100 RGB, which is their flagship keyboard. This offers Corsair OPX optical mechanical switches which have incredibly fast actuation and are rated to 150 million keystrokes. Axon processing technology with 4000Hz polling will also benefit the macro keys as the press is registered even faster. Then of course the dedicated macro keys. This model has 6 of which you can register multiple profiles in IQ. So for example, you could have multiple banks of 6 keys, and there are also alternative keyboards that offer 2 rows of keys should you prefer having more physical options. The Scimitar Elite offers an 18,000 DPI sensor, which can be adjusted in single DPI steps, onboard memory allowing you to take 3 profiles with you wherever you go, and the main feature we were interested in, the 12 mechanical side buttons which can easily be programmed in IQ. There's also 8mm of sliding adjustment to find the best comfortable fit for your hand, and there are a total of 17 buttons on this mouse, all of which that could be programmed. All these extra buttons does make the mouse heavier, but if you like a heavier mouse then you'll be well at home with this one. Now, even if you don't play MMOs, macros can also be used for other games and applications. This would make a great mouse for FPS games with a lot of different optional items, such as How Let Loose, or to even replace the keyboard for a sim racing rig, as you could bind the buttons that aren't on the wheel to the mouse instead. Alternatively, if you do a lot of creative work, you could use a mouse like this for photo or video editing by binding the different tools from each program to specific buttons. Once we've downloaded the latest version of IQ from the Corsair website, and if needed updated your devices, we can then program the macros. If you're using software from another manufacturer, you may have to have a little bit of a look around to find where your macro programming is located, but it should be fairly easy to find. Simply pick a device that you want to program your macro to, go down to Key Assignments on the left, Actions, Create New Action, Action Type, and then click Macro. Once you click Start Recording, the software will look for any input over the mouse and keyboard, so you can input something from both should you wish. Then once you're done pressing the buttons you want to use, simply click End Recording. After you've recorded your macro, you can then go back and tweak it if you wish, with options to remove or add steps, set repeat and adjust the time delay. All that's left to do is assign it to a key, and then you're done. Pretty easy, right? Then just repeat the process for any other macros you want to do, and then save them to other keys. Whether you're going into a boss battle, quickly needing to pull out a bandage in FPS, or speeding up your photo and video editing, keyboards and mice with dedicated buttons can really benefit your productivity efficiency and gaming performance. If you have any other questions about the products featured in the video, then please leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you to Scan for sponsoring this video. Please go and check out their website, you'll find it linked in the description below, and a thank you to Corsair for sending out the products featured. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and get subscribed so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.